In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a HP DeskJet 2922 printer. So maybe you're having some issues connecting to the Wi-Fi or you just want to sell the printer. Here is how to reset it. You first need to open up both of the trays at the front of the printer. So open up this first one and then put this second one open. When you've done that, come to the printer's control panel and press the X and the Wi-Fi button both at the same time for around 5 seconds. You'll notice the power button begins to flash a bit slower. After 5 seconds, you can just release it. Then 20 seconds later, you can go ahead and close both of these trays and the printer will have been factory reset. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like.